Y'all, let's get into this hair. Oh my gosh, I am in love.
Life without you been feeling kind of strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Kashia Jabre, and today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this unit from Alipearl. So thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait for you guys to see how I did it and all of that good stuff. But before we can hop into this video, y'all already know that y'all gotta give your girl a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. I already got my bald cap on. Now all I have to do is put makeup on my cap, and then we can get into installing this wig. I'm so excited because it looks so cute already, and I haven't done anything to it yet, so I'm excited. But let's go ahead, put this makeup on, and then we can hop into all of that. Today I'm gonna use my foundation because the powder that I'm used to using, I done got like a little bit darker because it's like hot outside right now. So I'm just gonna use my foundation shade because it's the closest thing that I have to my skin tone. So I believe this is the darkest powder that I have. So I'm just gonna like go over like the top of my head with this. All right, so I got that on. Now I'm gonna take some alcohol and I'm gonna clean up around my skin. Make sure there's no makeup on here for when I lay down my glue. I don't want my glue to turn white because it's touching foundation. All right, so let's move on to this wig, y'all. So I'm not sure if y'all can see, but it is so freaking pretty. I'm already loving it. I haven't done anything to the lace, and as you guys can see, it's a pretty good quality lace. It's very thin. I believe that this is HD lace, so I should be able to lay it down without any makeup. But being who I am, I'm gonna put I'm gonna put a little bit of tint to this lace because I just don't want it to show up ashy if I take a picture with a flash or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put makeup all on the lace, and then I'm gonna come back. So now I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it has a little bit of a tint to it. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I feel like it looks really good. I just like to clip all the hair out of the way so no hair gets trapped in like the glue. And if there's still like some flyaways or something, you can just take some hairspray the top of it and just like push it back so you won't have to deal with like the little hairs that try to get caught in the glue. Okay, we're gonna put this back, and by just pulling it back, it's just gonna make sure that when we pull it back down, it's gonna be in the exact same spot. So now I'm gonna take my Ghost Bond glue. Okay, so I'm just gonna line out right in front of that cap just with a thin little layer of glue, and then I'm gonna take a popsicle stick, and then I'm just gonna start spreading this flat. I like to start off with as little glue as possible because the first layer is always the most trickiest. So make sure you get that first layer good because it's almost like your foundation. And I like to do 3 layers of glue. I might do even 4 because I've been going to the gym. So we'll see. But always make sure your first layer of glue is laying super flat, and you don't want to start off with huge amounts because that's just going to make it even harder to lay. I'm gonna let this dry, and then we can go in with layer 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put this down. Okay, so I'm holding my ears because I don't want my ear tabs to move. So I'm just gonna keep holding them. And then let me make sure I have my band ready. Hold on. And then I'm gonna take my even and I'm gonna spray it all around the hairline and tie it down. So now y'all, I have a hooded dryer, so I'm gonna try to sit up underneath the hooded dryer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and we're gonna see where we're at after that, okay? Okay, so y'all, this is what we looking like. I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace off, and then we're gonna get into the baby hairs. Y'all, baby hairs really give me anxiety, so just, you know, just bear with me because I be a little bit shaky when I do this process because I just don't be wanting to mess up. Even though there really isn't a way to mess up baby hairs, it's just always a certain look that I'm going for, and if I don't achieve it, I kind of feel like blah blah, you know? I'm gonna hook up my small little baby curlers, and then we're gonna tap more into it. I'm just gonna take these little curlers and curl my hair upward. Like that. So you should get like a little curl like this. And then I'm just gonna use this foam. I only have a little bit left, so I can't be going all ham and stuff. But I'm just gonna use this and I'm just gonna swoop these hairs and just play with them until, you know, they kind of sit where I want them to. I might even do a little loop over here. And then I'm gonna do a sideburn. Baby hairs become really easy to do when you start curling them because they kind of already just go where you want them to go. I don't know how, like, what's the science behind it, but literally once you curl it, it's like it just be ready to swoop. So yeah. Okay, so this is what one side looks like. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other side. It makes a huge difference. While some people might prefer this look, sometimes I do prefer this look, but honestly with big curly hair, I feel like it looks a little bit better with a little something, you know, to give it like that super islandy look. Like, I don't know if you guys like pick up what I'm putting down, but like I just always feel like curly hair goes with curly baby hairs, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do the other side and then I'm gonna come back and pretty much I'm gonna be done. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to this hair. I don't want to wet it because I feel like it's literally like the perfect like frizz versus curls. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this, but I still have to do the other side, so I'm gonna come back when I get done with that, and then we're gonna see what we look. So this is what we're looking like. Looks so good. This hair feels amazing. I love the way that it's looking already. It's giving very much summer. The back is still a little tamed, but it looks so good. Like, I just love this type of hair. Let me zoom out so y'all can see. What? Yeah, so I'm about to let my baby hairs dry, and then I'm gonna do a little makeup, a little 1-2, 1-2, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finish and final. All right, so I did my makeup. This is what everything is looking like, y'all. I have no bad things to say about this hair at all. It is so freaking pretty. I love it so much. It came out just how I wanted it to. The lace is amazing. The hair feels so good and lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy, even though it looks like a lot, and I can tell that if I was to, you know, play with it a little bit more, it can get a lot bigger. It's still super light. Like, I love the way it feels. It doesn't feel heavy. You know, in the summertime, you want big hair, but you don't want heavy hair, and this is like the perfect example of that. But this is how everything came out. I love it so much. So I just want to say thank you so much, Alipearl, for sponsoring this video. If you guys made it this far, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to give me a big old thumbs up. And also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can lit too. And that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, all the links on this hair will be listed in my description box. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.